Before you start packing for your next move, watch this video because in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some Dollar Tree moving hacks that will not only save you money and time, but make moving a little bit much more easier. Now, the first thing, of course, I want you to grab at Dollar Tree is the packing tape. You do not have to spend a lot of money on packing tape. Dollar Tree's packing tape works just as good as any of the other ones. And while you're in the tape section, I want you to grab all the different color tape that they have at Dollar Tree. You're gonna grab enough tape for each of your individual rooms in your home, because this is gonna be a way for you to make moving a little bit easier for the people that are helping you pack and moving your stuff. You're gonna assign every room to a color, and then you're gonna put those on each boxes. And that way everybody knows what room goes to what box goes to what room, because it have a designated color. And you'll write on the tape what room it is and also what's in it, so that way when you're unpacking, you know what's in it as well. And do not mind my handwriting, guys. I have horrible handwriting and I was really moving really fast, so that's why my handwriting looks like this. Another thing I did to help out with the moving purposes is that I also took an old cereal box and cut it and made an answer key that I put on my front door, and also I put on my garage door. Those are the entrances to my home, so that people knew what color was for each room. So if there was a furniture piece that we just put yellow tape on, or if it was furniture piece we just put some red tape on, they could go to this answer key and know that this piece goes to this room. And then also what you can do is, so that everybody knows what room is what, you can put the color tape on the actual doors or in the room walls, but I didn't want this tape to mess up my walls or my doors in my new house. So what I did was I took this old popcorn box and I cut it into pieces and I put the tape on that, and then I just used some painter's tape to tape these labels onto the doors and to the walls, so that way everybody knows what room is what, and that way I wasn't messing up my doors or my walls. And also, if you need any of these permanent markers that you need to use to write on the boxes and around this tape, definitely check out Dollar Tree's school supply section, because they have so many good ones there that you can get for $1.25. You don't need to spend any extra money on those Sharpie ones. These work just as well. If you decide that you want to declutter before you move, which I suggest that's a good idea, and you want to hold a garage sale or a yard sale, Dollar Tree has so many supplies for you to be able to get them and set them up. So definitely, if you are doing a yard sale or a garage sale, definitely get your supplies at Dollar Tree and nowhere else. They also have bubble cushion wrap there in the packing section, which will be perfect for all of your fragile items such as your dishes. But I have another hack for you guys to pack your dishes. Go over to the section where all the paper plates and foam plates, and grab yourself a pack of foam plates and use this to actually pack your dishes. You put a foam plate in between each plate, and this provides cushion for your plates so they don't break when you go pack them. And I like this because you can get so many foam plates in this pack for $1.25, and it just protects your dishes rather than buying bubble wrap or paper, which you could spend much more money on bubble wrap and paper. You can find a whole pack of these foam plates for $1.25 or $1.50, I believe, and you can basically pack multiple dishes. And for your fragile bowls, go over to the coffee section and get some coffee filters, because these will be perfect to also provide some cushion when you're packing your bowls. And also, when you're in this section, don't forget to grab some disposable plates, cups, and bowls for yourself, and utensils, because as you're packing, you're not going to want to be using the dishes, or you can't use the dishes because you're packing them up. So you need some disposable plates, bowls, cups, and spoons and forks and all that. So definitely grab some for your home. Now it's time for one of my favorite tips and hacks from Dollar Tree, is to grab their unscented trash bags and use them to move your clothes. If you're moving like me from a house to another house in the same state, or even if you're doing your own moving and don't have packers, this is an easy way to move your clothes from one closet to another, so you don't have to take them off the hanger and pack them up and re-put them back. You just take the trash bag, and I always try to measure out at least 10 hangers and see how much fits in that bag, and then see if I need more. Depending on the type of clothing, like these were just tank tops, so I was able to fit a lot more in there. You can kind of see how much clothes you can fit in one bag. I also take the zip ties from Dollar Tree as well, and I zip tie the top of the hangers so that way they don't move when you're packing. If you don't do this and you move it, they start moving around and get all like mixed up. So you definitely want to use the zip ties to put them all together. But this was just a simple way to be able to move my clothes from one closet to another, and I didn't have to do so much packing and packing the boxes and taking them out and putting them in the hanger again. This was so easy. This was my favorite hack. Also, when you are in the section where the trash bags are out, pick up some black trash bags, because you know you are going to declutter and get rid of a lot of stuff, and these black trash bags are perfect for all that bulk trash. Another section you need to check out in Dollar Tree is a section where they have the Ziploc bags, and get different sizes, because you can use these to organize so many different little things that you do not want moving around in those big boxes. Such thing as if you have a drawer with all the office supplies, like your junk drawer or a homework station drawer, and you want to bag all that stuff up, you can bag it all up with the different size Ziploc bags and put it in a box. You can also use Ziploc bags for your jewelry. And speaking of jewelry, when you are organizing your jewelry or whenever you're moving your jewelry, you could take some straws that you can also get at Dollar Tree and use it to organize your necklaces so they don't get tangled. And that way you can either put them in these little makeup case boxes, or you can put them in Ziploc bags so that they don't get all messed up in the boxes as well. You can also use the Ziploc boxes for nails and also different hardware that goes to certain shelves, to mirrors, and then just tape them to the back of the furniture. So many uses for the Ziploc bags. Also, Dollar Tree has these storage bags. They're basically like big Ziploc bags. They have a large one where you can get 2 for $1.25, and they also have the extra large ones. These are perfect for all your craft items, for stuffed animals, bedding. This is perfect. If you do not want to get boxes for them, these are huge bags that are way cheaper than the boxes, especially if you're moving from house to house in the same state. This is perfect for that move. If you have open storage organization like this toy storage right here, you want to go into the wrap section at Dollar Tree and grab some plastic wrap. This plastic wrap is perfect for any open storage bins that you have in your home that you don't want to put everything in a bag or in a box, and you want to just be able to pack it within its actual organization. You could just wrap it with the plastic wrap. You can also use the plastic wrap for your mirrors, for your rugs, anything where you can't put in a box and you just want to wrap it together. The plastic wrap is amazing and will keep everything together. Now, the last tip and hack that I want to share with you guys is the Dollar Tree cleaning products. Definitely pick some up, because whether you are renting or selling your home, you have to clean your house before you turn it in. And also when you go to your new home, you need some cleaning products for, cleaning up the house, because I never trust anybody else on their cleaning. I always clean a house before I move in. And a lot of times you are packing up all of your good cleaning products. A lot of times we spend a lot of money on the cleaning tools that we have. And so we have to pack them up. And so when you pack them up, you can just go to Dollar Tree, get their cleaning products or their cleaning tools for just $1.50. And then when you're done with them, you could just throw them away and not feel guilty about it, because they only cost $1.50 for their cleaning tools and their cleaning products. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope these Dollar Tree moving tips and hacks helped you guys. Let me know in the comments down below any tips or hacks that you guys have with Dollar Tree products for moving. I love getting ideas from you guys. And stay tuned, because I have some more moving tips and hacks that doesn't have to do with Dollar Tree. So stay tuned for that next video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.